Hannagi Union Home Secretary Ajay Kumar Bhalla Ngasi Manipur gi 18 Suba Governor Oina Wasak Loukhre Ngasi ayuk Imphal gi Ras Bhavan da leiba Darbar Holda pangthokiba thorum aduda High Court of Manipur gi Chief Justice D Krishna Kumar na Ajay Kumar Bhalla Governor Oina Wasak Loukhre Thorum aduda Chief Minister Nongthumam Biren Manipur Legislative Assembly gi Speaker Thokchom Satyabrata Minister Singh Hannagi Chief Minister Okram Ibobi amasung Radhabinot Koizam MLA Singh Chief Secretary Security Advisor DGP amadi Civil Military amadi Police ki makok thongba official kyasu saruk yakhi Thorum aduda Governor Oina Wasak Longnabaki damak Ajay Kumar Bhalla Chief Minister Nongthumam Biren ga loinana ngasi ayok pung 10:30 taramdaida Darbar Hall da changlakhi High Court of Manipur gi Chief Justice D Krishna Kumar na Mahapu Governor Oina Wasak Lorba matungda Darbar Hall dagi thorakpada Rastriya Salute piduna ikaikumnab utkhi tungda Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na Manipur Rifles amasung Indian Reserve Battalion ki Guard of Honor inspect tawki Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na Council of Ministers Singha Sakhang Maikhang narba matung Paumi Singda wafam amata phongdok lamdana Governor Residence ta changki Thorum aduga mari lenana Chief Minister Nongthumam Biren hai leibak asigi thoidok hendokna masak nairaba amadi haithoi singthoiraba amabu state asigi governor oina tharakpa asida lengak amasung miyamgi maikaidagi thagatli khongthang asigi damak Prime Minister Narendra Modi amasung Union Home Minister Amit Shah da thagatpa phongdokli Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla mamangda tongan ba post kaya pairam lama matung Union Home Ministry da laiduna thokdang chawna lawram laba bisakni mahakna state asigi governor oina lakpa asina lamdam asid thengnari ba irang asigi tungkoi ba warisin ama purakpada achobo mateng oiragani haibagi thajabat lei state asida thengnari ba lan asi tarai ba ama oidaba maramna nongmada hekta loisin ba yagadaba nate center amasung state lengakna irang asigi warisin ama purakna ba akan ba mong da honari hainsu Chief Minister Nongthumam Birena makhatana phongdorakli
We Manipuri and aside from the people of the Manipur and the side government and from my personnel, I wholeheartedly welcome the Ajay Bhalla ji. He is a good and a dynamic person who knows the ground reality and the ground situation of the entire India, particularly the Northeast, and in particular Manipur situation he know very well. With his appointment as the governor of the state, I fully believe that normalcy and peace will be restored in the state of Manipur as earlier. And I convey my peace message to all the community residing in the state of Manipur. Again, let us forgive and forget everything. What is the past is past. We should sit together and we should bring a permanent solution. Restoring. First priority should be restoration of peace in the state.
Panbayavadi Hokiba December Kun Marida, President Draupadi Murmuna, Manipur, Mizoram, Bihar, Kerala Amadi Orisagi Anuba, Governor Singh Haplakpada, Union Home Secretary Oiramba Masagi Chahi Humfumari Suraba, Ajay Kumar Bhalla Manipur gi Governor Oina appoint Torakibani, Kumja Lising Amaga Chamapan Humfugi November Kuntarukta, Punjab ki Jalandharda Pokiba Ajay Kumar Bhalla, Lising Amaga Chamapan Marifu Mari, Batch ki Assam Meghalaya IS Kadardi, Mahak Tongan ba post kaya Pairam Labamatung, Kumja Lising Aniga Taramapan gi August Kunithoy dagi, Mamang Chahi ki August Kunithoy Fauba, Union Home Secretary Oina Tabak Purami, Manipur gi Hannagi Governor Asusuya Uike gi Matungda, Matam Khara Assam gi Governor Laxman Prasad Acharyana, Additional Charge Oina Manipur gi Governor gi Fam Puram Labat Tungda, Ngasi Ajay Kumar Bhalla na Manipur gi Governor Oina Wasak Loukhre.